So which website do you use to book your travel?
Actually, Expedia. Expedia.
I use Expedia to book my travel.
Sometimes I use Booking.com.
We are group number 30. We are going to talk about Expedia. Our content is business model, information systems and their role, decision-making systems, entity relationship diagram, database, phrase-scale queries, and a suggestion.
Expedia is an internet-based travel reservation website, and it was originally a US-based business, but now it is operating in 20 different countries, and of course including the UK. And Expedia acts as an online travel agent where their services are provided and can be purchased through their webpage, so that the customer can have easy access to booking of their products. And the products include flights, accommodation, and transport. In terms of the target market, Expedia's strategy is to attract as a wide range of customers as possible, from leisure, family to business travelers. And in order to meet different needs from different customers, their online booking systems allow the customers to combine different and multiple products from just one website. And lastly, Expedia generates their profits in 3 ways: agent sales, merchant sales, and advertising. For agent sales, they charge a transaction fee per purchase activity from customer, whereas the merchant sales are taking place when Expedia purchases a travel inventory from another provider at a discounted price and then sells it to the customer at a premium added price in order to make a profit. Lastly, advertising. They use techniques such as pay-per-click, and flat fee payment during the advertised period.
An efficient business model involves effective organization of the system architecture, data, and technology. In Expedia, all these components are aligned to the integrated information systems. One of information system Expedia uses is Global Distribution System. Company works with WorldSpan and Pegasus. These systems allow Expedia to get information from service providers about available places, tariffs, booking straight away at any time. Increased Expedia's productivity and profitability is reached through product diversification. In addition, sales are raised through regionalized system. In 2007, launched Expedia Connect. It's a reservation system interface which allows hotel partners easily and efficiently link property management and central reservation systems to Expedia. Hotel partners benefit from the cost, speed, accuracy, and security advantages of direct connectivity with it. In addition, Quick Connect helps increase customer bookings while also decreasing costs. Expedia introduced Expedia Virtual Card Payment Tool, where the product provider receives payment for bookings immediately when customers check out on its website. Expedia has also adapted extensible markup language application programming interface. It allows getting information from databases, avoiding the cost associated with converting a database into HTML documents and the cost of keeping them synchronized. To summarize, well-planned information systems enable Expedia to reduce operational costs, increase flexibility, provide with accurate information, respond to dynamic market trends, and improve communication with customers and clients. All in all, IS gives a better competitive position to Expedia.
Expedia, from its homepage, helps customers to go through each stage of decision-making together with a website. Expedia offers to create your trip by choosing what a customer is interested in. It is possible to pick up different options to set up a time and date of departing and returning together with a specification of number of people traveling and number of rooms required. This decision strategy is known as lexicographic when a customer selects the top alternative based on each chosen attribute. Further, Expedia offers to explore your options with a list of different types of holidays with a starting price near each. By clicking on one of them, the customer will be transferred to a whole range of choices and brief descriptions linked to available destinations. This is known as elimination by aspect, and the customer expels options he/she does not interested in. Expedia also has developed Expedia Inspirator. This recommendation engine is based on the answers of 4 simple questions about the choice of Expedia's offer destinations. This engine can be denoted as satisfies in decision strategy, as it is possible for a customer to stop looking for alternatives as far as the offered trip suits for him/her. Some of the information is accessible from an upper row of the homepage. Those options are equally weighted in terms of customer decision. This strategy is also may refer to as a planned strategy used by Expedia, and it is called equal weights. As far as Expedia's satellite booking system is considered, it is quite complicated to show the full picture of each available booking opportunity. For this reason, the ERD represents only Expedia's hotel room reservation. It was designed on the basis of how a customer finds the appropriate option and shows underlying entities of the processes. Everything begins with the customer, the person who initiates the booking placement and needs to have Expedia account. In order to register as a customer, at least 3 attributes are required. They are name, address and email. Listed attributes are needed in order to identify each customer. Once customer is logged in, there is a variety of hotels available on the website and they depend only on the location, class and the name. Each hotel will have own ID so that the booking application could be sent directly to their system. At the same time, hotel telephone number and address are provided for customers' purposes and convenience. When the hotel is chosen, a customer can book a room there according to the date of checking in and out. Attributes with number of people and number of rooms are put so that the customer could be more specific in what he/she wants. If the room is available, the booking receives its date, unique identity, and the customer is transferred to a payment website page. Paying for a booking on the Expedia website is made easy and safe by using MasterCard Safe Code. This entity allows the company to charge a customer by selecting a card type, typing its number, and the expiration date. When the payment is done, customer will receive confirmation via email. For our database, we used previously mentioned entities and attributes. We created customer, hotel, booking and payment tables and prepared from 5 to 7 samples records to each of them in order to generate further SQL queries.
The first query is based on the webpage concerning the search engine of finding an ideal hotel in a particular city and date for customer. To perform a search, customer needs to type in city name, pay date and a number of people. The hotel's details are collected from hotel entity. This query goes further in identifying a specific customer who has already made a reservation for a particular hotel. Therefore, the query begins by selecting the attributes city, name, address and class from the hotel table and customer ID, check-in, check-out and people name from the booking table. The from clause is used by the SQL parser to identify the location of the attributes in the relevant R table. Next, the where clause helps us with filtering and showing the instance we are interested among all the instances that are in the R table. In order to know which customer booked the hotel located in Las Vegas, we add a new clause where. In order to join 2 R tables together, we need to use the primary key hotel ID in the hotel table and the foreign key hotel ID in booking table from a one-to-many relationship. Therefore, we applied a where clause to equate the primary key of the first R table to the foreign key of the second one. Similarly as in the first query, we created the second query. It concerns the credit card details of the customer on the web page. This web page provides the user with opportunity to insert the card details in order to finish the payment process.
The last query concerns more about the organization itself, where they want to know how many customers have not paid for their stays yet and would like to give them a push so that the cash flow could become more smooth. And again, based on this principles theory, this query is generated by joining 5 attributes from our tables. And therefore, we generated these instances whose payment status equals to no. Our suggestion is to use visual information seeking mantra, which means overview first, zoom and filter, then details on demand. In this case, we focus on their hotel web page, where they have various and numerous options for customers to choose from. However, the interface is dominated by text, which may cause difficulties for customers to gain an overview of the products available quickly. Firstly, provide a worldwide map along with the continents option at the bottom, Overview. When moving the mouse to the text, the continent will brighten up. Click on mouse button, enlarging continent will show the location of hotels available as dots, along with a rolling list containing the destinations, Zoom. Move the mouse on one of the destinations from the list, a photo of the hotel will appear, and at the same time, the dot circled in orange represents the location of the property, Filter. And lastly, click on the destination and we will bring you to the page that provides more information about the hotel, Details on Demand. This suggestion will be helpful if the customers don't have a hotel preference, but location comes first. And it also helps to reduce the amount of information displayed at once and makes it easier for browsing.
Sure, you're using booking.com.
Well, I think it's Expedia.
Oh, thank you. For now, this is the end of our presentation.
Thank you!